I am Ishan.
I am Nandini.
I am Avjini.
And Diksha.
And we are from class 7. Our team is Art Connect Assam.
Viksit Bharat or Developed India is a mission that inspires to transform India into a fully developed, self-reliant country and a prosperous nation by the year 2047. When the country will celebrate 100 years of independence, this unison encapsulates the dreams of 1.4 billion people who are Indians who wish to see their nation emerge as a global trader in every field: economic, social, technology, and cultural. Viksit Bharat is not just an economic thing, but also a sophisticated development. It envisions India that provides opportunities for all citizens, ensures sustainable growth, empowers the youth, etc. It aims to build a nation strong, innovative, and self-reliant, a Atmanirbhar Bharat in truest sense.
Economic growth and innovation strengthen industries, promoting entrepreneurship, and becoming a global manufacturing hub. Through like Made in India, Digital India, and Startup India, transforming India's human capital by improving quality education, research, and skill training to meet future challenges. Building world-class roads, railway, airports, digital networks, and smart cities to connect every corner of the nation.
Promoting renewable energy, electric mobility, and climate resilient agriculture to ensure long-term environmental stability. Empowering women, youth, farmers, and underprivileged through social welfare schemes and digital inclusion. Ensuring transparency, accountability, and citizen-centric governance through technology-driven reforms.
The Government of India has launched multiple of programs aligned with this vision, such as Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan for self-reliance in key factors, Digital India Mission to empower citizens through technology, National Education Policy NEP 2020 to make education future-ready.
Smart Mission, PM Gati Shakti and Green Hydrogen Mission to boost infrastructure skills and sustain the role of citizens. The dream of a Viksit Bharat cannot be achieved by being responsible, inert, and committed to national progress for conversing resources and paying taxes honestly to supporting local products and promote unity. Small actions by individuals can lead to big national change. Viksit Bharat is not merely a slogan, it is a collective national movement. It represents the hopes, hard work, and inspirations of every Indian who believes in the power of transfer.
हर